Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to give access to Google Drive link. Open your Google Drive, select the file with error and click on Copy Link. Now at the bottom, click on Manage Access. In the pop-up window from General Access, you can choose the option Anyone with the link. Now it is possible to set the type of permission. This user will be able to view, comment, or edit this file. When you define the permission, click on the button Copy Link to have this link active. Finally, click on Done. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.